In this video, I am going to tell you how to make $1,000. Now, I am going to make this video brief and practical. So, if you really want to know how to make 1,000, whether it's your first $1,000, like in Naira, we say 1.5 million Naira, 1.4 million Naira, whether it's your first or you have been doing so before you lost your job or whatever it is, but you just want to make $1,000, I am going to tell you how to do it. Now, this is not a get rich quick video and all of that, but it's going to be very practical and it's going to be very helpful. So watch to the end. Now, my name is Obinwa. I help people grow and manage their businesses, and I grow and manage businesses myself. So this is coming from a place of experience, okay? So if you want to make $1,000 in 2026, now I am going to tell you the simple two things you're going to do, like two steps you're going to take. If you take these two steps, I can assure you that you can make $1,000. I'm not saying you're going to make it tomorrow, but if you follow these two steps, you're going to surely make $1,000. Now, the first step is to find out or to identify what you are already good at today. Now, I've told a lot of people this, and they will tell me, I don't know what I'm good at, I'm not good at anything. That is not possible. Once you're a human being, you're an adult or you're a young person, there must be something you're good at. Let me use myself as an example. When I was growing up, I loved gym, I loved working out, I loved exercises. Now, I was not exactly a professional fitness coach or fitness person, but I just loved exercises. I've used weights to exercise, I've used a lot of things to exercise. I love push-ups and all of that. So when I wanted to make some money, at some point I needed some money. This was years back. And I asked myself what I was good at now, not what I would go and learn, the skills I would go and acquire. No, 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 I'm not talking about that. If you have skills you've acquired, you shouldn't have issues to make $1,000. But you don't have skills, you've not gone for any formal training and all of that. There must be something you're good at now. So what I did, as I loved working out and exercises, and I really enjoy it. I've worked on my body to a certain extent, not perfectly, but I know something. I know about fitness to the extent I knew at the point. So, which will lead me to the second step. So, if you have identified, so stay tuned for the second step, anyways. If you've identified what you're good at or what you enjoy doing, that is the first step. Because if you want to make $1,000, you don't have to go and start to going for trainings and all those things. That is for someone that already has the money and has the time. Okay, so if you have identified what you're good at or what you enjoy doing, you mustn't be good at it perfect. No. And I also use myself as an example again. I loved cleaning. I am good at cleaning. I could clean, arrange spaces and all those. These are not hardcore skills. These are not tech skills. These are not high income skills and all of that. These are simple things that you have done in your life as a young person, as an adult, things you have, even if you've lost your job in your 40s and 50s, there must be something you have become good at, even if it's advising people. It can be something as simple as cleaning, arranging, advising people, or mowing the lawn, or cutting grasses, or whatever. Something you enjoy doing. Some people enjoy washing dishes. So it has to be something simple that you already do in your life. So if it's something you already do in your life, it will be better, it will be easier. So find out, identify something that you enjoy doing today, something that you did last week, last 2 weeks, last month, that you enjoy doing. That is the very first step. If you identify this, you have done 50% of the work. You're already halfway to making the $1,000, whether it's your first or you have been making before and all that. Now, the second thing you are going to do after you have identified what you're good at or what you enjoy doing is to tell people about it. Tell people, not just online. If you're shy and all those things, that's fine, but tell your immediate environment about it. Tell people already in your life about it. Now we have WhatsApp. You can post on your WhatsApp status, or if you're shy and all those, you can tell people in your vicinity, which is what I did. I could help people, I could exercise, I knew about workout and all of that. So I told people that I already knew. Okay? So, but if you can take it a step further, that would be better. Put it online. Tell people what you are good at. Tell it to as much people as you can. Because myself, I put out my service as a fitness coach. I knew about fitness. I can help you with fitness and all those things. So, and surprisingly, people started coming to me. Clients started reaching out. Please, I want you to train me and all of that. Because you are good at that thing, it is going to be easy for you to start with it. Okay, so first find out what you're good at, then tell people about it in your vicinity. people around you, people on your contact list, people online. I am telling you, this is so simple, but it works. I did it. I've done it multiple times. Okay, so because I also love businesses and I also love managing money. I have worked, I still work as a manager, as a money manager, in a small way though, yeah, but it works, it pays. Okay, I love managing things and seeing them grow. Now I work as a manager. Okay, I manage things, I manage money, I manage businesses, and it works. So if you want to make $1,000 in today's world and you don't have zero capital, you don't have capital to start with, you have zero capital, follow these two steps. Let me repeat again. First, identify what you're good at today, what you're already doing, not what you did maybe 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Okay, what you are good at and what you are doing, what you enjoy doing. Identify it. Do not look down on it, no matter how simple it sounds or no matter how simple you think it is. Like I said, I've worked as a cleaner, it paid. And I've worked as a fitness coach. I've worked as a lot of things. Okay, I love business. I've sold things. These are things that my immediate environment could benefit from, and it pays. So when you found out what you're good at, you have identified it or what you enjoy doing, and you've told people, then charge them money for it. Charge them money. Don't do it for free. Some people say do it for free. I'm not really in that school of thought. Charge them for it, but don't charge so much. Start small, and as you grow in competence, charge them more. When I started my fitness coaching and all those things, I charged little. But as I kept growing, I kept increasing the money till the money became substantial enough. So charge for what you're good at. Tell your immediate environment. These things I'm telling you, you can start today. You can identify what you're good at today. Tell your neighbor. It can be something like cleaning, washing, laundry. Some people, you know how to cut hair, you know how to make hair, and you're in your house. You're thinking of how to make your first $1,000 or first 1.5 million naira. You can do it. Just tell people about it. Even if you're not very, very good at it yet, as you start, you keep learning and growing. This thing is very, very practical. So make sure that if you need $1,000 today, in 2026, in today's world, and you don't have capital to go and start learning test skills and all those things, start with these two steps. Remember, the third one is charge for it. And before you know what is happening, you have hit your $1,000. From there, you can now grow to 10,000, $20,000, 10 million, 20 million naira, and all those things. Okay? So thank you for watching this one. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to help you with your business, you're struggling with your business, want me to help you personally, send me a message on the WhatsApp number that will appear on your screen and reach out to me, or send an email to this email on your screen, and I will personally respond to you and help you grow your business. Okay? See you on the next one.